Hey, welcome to the show. Check this out. This is so cool. This is the Ameta drone S20, and it's by far my most favorite drone I have ever used or played with. It's made of high quality materials. It's easy to fly and do tricks with, and it's great for beginners all the way to advanced users. Now, I will tell you that the blades are not protected, so for little ones, it's probably not a good idea that they would be around it so they don't get their fingers, hurt. But my 10-year-old son has a lot of experience with drones, and he knows not to put his fingers next to those blades. And he was able to learn how to use this drone in a very little time. It's great because you can do 360-degree flips. It hovers perfectly. Let's say you're hovering and you want it to become still. It's not drifting around. It's just, right there. It also has 36 minutes of flight time. It comes with 2 batteries. So each battery you can fly at around 18 minutes each. It also has a 4K UHD camera, and you can sync this up to your phone. Or if you don't want to sync it up to your phone, you can just use the included controller. It also has a brushless motor. It's lightweight. You can do the find lost drone. It comes, like I said, it comes with the 2 batteries, and those are very easy to charge up. We've been so happy with it. And like I said, one cool feature about this is that, like I said, it's great for beginners all the way to advanced users. And as a beginner, you can learn how to fly this in your house. And then when you become more experienced with it, you can take this outside. You can do some cool tricks. You can use your phone, the camera set up. And it's so cool when you're flying this up really high and you're looking down on houses or people. And, the more experience with it, you got to learn all kinds of cool new tricks. So it has a lot of great possibility. It's at a great price, and I really like the company because they have a lot of quality products. So make sure you check out their company. Hey, thanks a lot for watching our show today, and make sure you hit that likey button, and we'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.